The richest flavors of fall combined in this luxurious weeknight or even Sunday dinner. We've got roasted chicken with pomegranate barbecue sauce and a bevy of roasted vegetables. Chef Nettie Frank is here to share this full menu, and I feel like when I stepped into the kitchen, I stepped into fall.
I know, right?
I mean, you've just brought every flavor that we crave this time of year.
Thank you. I try. I mean, you have to match the food with the decoration, right?
Oh, sure. Why
It's
not?
about presentation as well as taste.
And I understand there's one technique kind of underpinning all of this.
Roasting vegetables. So all those vegetables that you've grown in your garden and the herbs and everything, it's time to put them to work. So we're gonna roast it, everything at 400 degrees. Asparagus, 10 minutes flat. Carrots, about 20 minutes because they're a harder, vegetable. Squash is about 15 minutes.
Okay.
But all we do is just drizzle olive oil on it. I chopped up fresh herbs for the carrots.
What sort of herbs?
We have fresh thyme and rosemary on it. And then salt and fresh cracked black pepper. And that's it, and you roast it. So it's healthy, it's great, it naturally caramelizes with that high heat in the oven at 400 degrees.
Yum.
And it's just tasty and so good. So asparagus is a go-to.
And I noticed you lined your sheet with parchment paper.
Yes, parchment paper is a lifesaver in the kitchen. So you just need your cookie sheet and a parchment paper, put your vegetables on there, you're not gonna dirty the stove, and you're done.
Anytime someone can give me a great meal idea and save me on dishes, you're my new best friend.
Awesome.
I love that. All right, let's get to the chicken. And this is a fun little challenge that was at work here. You participated in a cooking challenge.
I did, and it was pomegranate. We had to use pomegranate.
That was your secret ingredient, was pomegranate. So you created this pomegranate barbecue sauce.
Yes, actually it was the pomegranate Pellegrino.
Oh, okay.
So it gives, the carbonation gives this kind of like a bubbly feel on your mouth.
Ooh, yum.
It's really good, but I've used regular pomegranate juice as well. So we've got our ketchup, and we're gonna do some mustard, and I have to have my Halloween stuff here.
You are just fall all over the place. I love it.
Brown sugar. We've got some honey.
In fact, can I show off my little favorite fall accessory you brought?
Yes.
The mini spatula, the mini Halloween scraper there you have is cute too, but look at these guys. Target, you said?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, hold on, wait. This is what we're looking at. Look how cute. Aren't those adorable? All right, anyway, back to the food.
Okay, no, you're good. So I've got Worcestershire sauce, some dried onions, garlic salt. We're just gonna whisk that up.
Have we thrown in the pomegranate yet?
Not yet, we're about to. So we're gonna add some of that pomegranate juice. See how it bubbles?
Fizzes just a bit?
Yeah, just a little bit. But you just use it to thin out your barbecue sauce, and now it's ready.
My Diet Coke loving friend, Michelle, calls it crispness.
Oh, there you go.
Crispness. So now this sauce can be crisp, just like her Diet Coke, right?
Perfect, yes. And so we've got our chicken here with our chive mashed potatoes, roasted carrots with the fresh herbs.
Oh, you're killing us, Nettie.
Everything.
Look at that. What?
And this barbecue sauce, we are just gonna drizzle on down it.
That's all you need is that sauce, really, to
it.
spice up a plate.
Yep, and this will hold in your fridge for a good month. So make a big batch of it and you're good.
Absolutely.
I toasted some craisins and some walnuts to go on top.
Of course you did. Of
some
course
fall
you did.
flavor there, and you're done. Dinner's done. So it's fantastic.
Well, we haven't quite pulled in the grill just yet.
Right.
So you could still roast the veggies inside, cook
and grill
the chicken outside, little sauce from the fridge, and you're set and ready to go.
And your stove's clean.
Can I point out presentation? And your stove's clean. Because you've done some really cool things from a presentation perspective that are simple and easy as well, like using the herbs in the actual table setting.
Yes, so fresh herbs are fantastic, not only cooking with, but even for your decoration. So the smell of fresh rosemary and thyme when people sit down at the dinner table gives them like an appetite of what's about to come for their meal. And then I also did some floral arrangements here with some flowers from the garden.
It's like food
parsley, rosemary, thyme. But I have so much curly parsley, it's like weeds growing everywhere. So I'm like, what can I use this with besides drying it? So anyways, use the herbs in your flower arrangements, use it as table decoration, and bring more, like I've got carrots from the garden and the herbs and onions, make those your centerpiece.
I was gonna say, this could be a beautiful centerpiece.
Like in your colander and everything, and just bring it all together and have everybody gather around the table.
All right, as if you don't think she's amazing enough, may I just point out also, you made this cake stand.
I did. Here, look, you can look at it. So you just take the pumpkin from the craft store, and you cut off the top, and then I just glued one of those chargers to it. That was a total of like $6.
$6?
Yeah, and look how pretty it is.
This would be one of those party pieces you pull out from October clear through Thanksgiving.
Yes, and you can pick whatever charger you want on there, but I like the gold.
Martha Stewart 2.0. Thank you so much.
Thanks
a great recipe
me.
And great ways to plate it up. And you have more inspiration, more food inspiration for us on your website too.
Yes, chefnettie.com.
Look for the link to chefnettie.com from our website. It's always so great to have you. Seriously, so inspiring. All of it. And delicious.
Thank you.
Lunch?
Enjoy.
Lunch?
Yeah.
All right, why not? Thank you so much.